Welcome to the Betr App. This app is designed to guide you through our program with interactive content and video guides by Dr. Farrow himself. Whether you're communicating with your coach, looking for delicious recipes, or connecting with the Betr community at large, it's all right here in the app. Once you're logged in, upload your profile photo so that your coach and the Betr community can see you. Just click on the icon and either create your own avatar, upload a picture, or just take one on the spot. Welcome to the home screen. This home screen is the heartbeat of your program. Everything you need to know about how to successfully execute this program is all right here. You'll find shortcuts to enter important information like your weight, food, and sleep. Click on the members area for our educational content, exclusive Betr recipes, meal plans, and more. To enter your sleep, click Track Sleep. If your Apple Health or Fitbit are connected to the app, this will automatically update. If you'd like to manually update your sleep, enter when you went to bed, when you woke up, and any notes on quality of sleep to keep your coach informed. To enter your weight, click on Track Weight. Click on the center button and a keypad will pop up so you can enter your weight to the exact decimal point. Entering in your weight to the exact decimal point allows us to track your progress accurately. We have daily quizzes to give your coaches more information on how you're feeling, what you're craving, and what you're learning. To track your progress, click on the progress bar to the right of the home icon. Here's where you're going to log all of your activities to keep your coach up to date. By clicking the plus sign at the top right-hand corner of your screen, you can view all of the tracking icons that are available. Some of these will also be on your home screen for faster access. To log activity, click the icon. Swiping across the middle bar will allow you to choose from a variety of exercises. Enter in the amount of time spent doing this exercise and click the checkmark at the top right of the screen to save. To track food, there will always be a shortcut on the home screen. Click Track Food and your camera will activate. You can either take a live photo or upload a photo of your meal. It's always best to add notes about the ingredients because this is really where the food analytics comes in. One of the unique parts of our program is that we don't count calories, so ignore the calorie dial altogether. Click the icon for the type of meal that you had and the checkmark at the top right to save. Next, we'll go over your personal coach chat. As you can see, the food and weight has already been uploaded into the chat with notes. Here you can easily communicate with your coach in the app. Your coach will be communicating with you regularly, Monday through Friday, and giving you feedback and recommendations based on your results. To the right of the personal coach chat, you'll find the Betr Community Group Chat. Here you'll find tips from all of our coaches, head coaches, Dr. Farrow, and other clients going through the program. This group chat is primarily used for motivation. If you're doing this program with your friends and family, or even if you're still in the process of building your support team, you're never alone, thanks to the Betr community. The final icon is the graduation cap at the bottom right. You can review all content that's been presented in the app to you so far. Welcome to Betr, and congratulations on taking the first step to a better you. With our coaches, community, and resources supporting you every step of the way, you'll be unstoppable. We can't wait to take this journey with you.